3 ideas to build alternate income source for job seekers and students as well. So if you're a student and looking to find some easy online earning ways, or if you're a job holder who is looking to have a secondary income source, then this video is for you. So I will suggest 3 different ways where you can build a secondary income source. First thing, selling a digital product. Create one digital product. It might be an online course, book, or any digital service or product that you can offer. You only create once, but yeah, create a digital product successfully, then you can sell it anytime and anywhere in the world. So that is the power of digital products. It might be anything. As I said, it might be a course or a book or ebook or PDF. You can sell it over internet, and yeah, it's one of the best income source to have. And second in the list is dividend income. So if you are someone who consistently invests on stock market, like there were many stocks out there which will pay dividends every year or every quarter. So there were some people who just pay off their bills by dividend income. So there were many companies, many stocks out there like ITC, IOC, Coal India, Vedanta. They will pay huge dividends for your investment. So if you build this habit of investing in stocks, then ultimately after some years you will start receiving handsome dividends. This is also the best way to build a secondary income source, because you invest for some years and later like you will have that amount within you, and you'll also receive dividends from respective stocks. And number 3 in the list is starting a print on demand store. So print on demand is getting popular these days. It was like a company maintains an inventory of plain t-shirts, mugs and hoodies stuff. You just need to upload your designs in the website, and you can sell t-shirts, hoodies or any other clothing accessories. So you can directly do that for free by creating an Instagram page and selling, or otherwise you can build a website. There were many sites out there like Shopify. You can create a store and link to that inventory, and you can fix your own pricing. You can earn a lot. So I also made a video previously dedicatedly on print on demand. You can also check them out. Also there is a site called Printro which I use, and I advise people to do that. If you want to start a print on demand store, it is free to use. There were many out like Printro, Printable, and there were many other sites as well which will help you to start your own print on demand store. These are the 3 ideas to build a secondary income source. As a job holder or as a freelancer, or even you are a student, you can build an income source by choosing one of the 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.